Hello there friends, this is Emil with WTI and these are my Nature Sunshine Nutri-Calm tablets. If you too are under a lot of pressure and stress, like many of us are nowadays, let me please tell you what I think about this product. I know it is a natural combination of vitamins and herbs, and what it does is that it has helped a lot to keep the anxiety levels down and the energy levels up. So me and everyone around me feel better and are a bit happier. This is my experience with it. One more thing I would like to remark about it, and I don't know if it is because it is a natural product, but it doesn't mess up with my stomach, which is actually a good thing. Seeing it from the perspective of other products out there that do mess up with your stomach. Something I would like to recommend about it is that if you live in a warm climate like I do, it's better to keep it fresh and cool, so that it provides optimum performance. It is a very good product if this is also your situation. This is Emil with WTI and this is my point of view.